This is why you don't need to worry about lightning strikes on planes. Let's break it down. Planes are built to handle lightning strikes. Here's the science. Materials like aluminum keep everyone safe by directing the electricity around the plane's body. The electricity flows along the outer surface and exits, leaving the inside totally fine. Engineers also install lightning protection systems to ensure that even sensitive equipment keeps working. Fun fact: commercial planes get struck by lightning about once a year, and they keep flying smoothly. So next time you're soaring through the clouds and see a storm, remember, you're in good hands. Planes are designed to keep you safe, rain or shine.